I put it right.
Yeah, I like. Nobody gets you like you.
Stop the chorus.
Yeah. Hello. Hi. Our awesome YouTube fans. Do you know something, Naomi?
What?
Do you know something?
No, I don't.
Do you want to know something?
Yes, of course. Everybody wants to know something.
Especially this something. I think you want to know this.
Uh-huh.
Naisha is back! Woo! Back, dude. Hey!
Hello!
Naisha is back. Obviously, some of our videos have not been uploaded, so...
None of our videos
yeah,
have been uploaded.
none of them, so...
So, obviously, none of you know what the hell Naisha is.
Yeah, but... Okay, this is simple. Naisha is a web show.
It's a web show. It's
show.
like iCarly, but it's nothing like iCarly.
It's iCarly, but not iCarly.
How does it even make any sense?
Okay, it's a web show like iCarly, but if you want to do random dancing, we don't do because honestly we're sitting down.
We could like put it on the table, put a webcam on the table, and we can go
Or
right.
we can just do this.
Yeah.
Now go.
No. Just like that. No?
Okay,
You could like. Oh my god! Whoa.
So you can see that we are kind of crazy, but don't worry. Whatever we do, we kind of have a way to make sure someone is on the screen. So don't panic.
Yeah.
You will see someone on the screen all the time.
Yes.
Is it? Introduction.
Introduction.
Oh, the introduction all over again. I think I'll start this time, okay?
This is really horrible because
We just did it, but
yeah, everything was perfect, and then the thing closed,
yeah, I don't know
and
how.
then our video was saved, but it was not finished.
So we decided to redo. Anyway, I'll throw the webcam. Webcam's dead. I just killed the webcam.
Oh shoot!
Hey.
Hello.
Sorry about that. Yeah, I was saying my introduction.
Why do I have to be so tall? Duh. Okay, she's gonna do her introduction. She's gonna do her introduction.
No, you do first. No, sorry. Hold on. 10 seconds. Okay, hold on. This is something.
Oh.
Okay,
No.
Okay, so we're gonna tell you our name. Stupid man. Sorry, I'm writing something kind of important.
Yeah, she's writing something for now. I'm just gonna talk. I love you. I love Bill actually. I love Bill from Tokyo Hotel. For any of you guys to like him too, please.
Continue loving him.
Yes, because he's such an awesome person.
And he's hot.
He's hot. He's got such an awesome personality. He's so sweet. I went to the Tokyo Hotel signing, which was in Bugis. We're in Singapore, by the way. They came on the 4th of August after the
I
sing
miss
test.
them.
It's okay. So yeah, anyway, he was so sweet. He was smiling to all the fans. He is such a great guy. And he's so hot. I think I just said that already. But yeah.
Oh, this is the most
an awesome
important
person.
So hot. How many times did we say it? 3. 1, 2, 3. Interest group here.
Uh-huh. So yeah, we're both kind of crazy. Not kind of, actually. We did not take our medication. We do not have medication. Do you have medication?
No, we don't.
I don't have
The
medication.
doctor doesn't like us to give us. So if you're in Singapore, don't go to your doctor. Joking. Go.
Go to the doctor if you're in Singapore, please. I went to it. The doctor told me not to drink ice water.
She still did.
I still did. Doctor told me not to drink Milo. I still did. Doctor told me not to eat hot, spicy food. I still did.
Mama.
I don't listen to the doctor.
Yeah, dude, I don't think this one is about my
Because I'm sick, by the way, in case of you guys can hear my voice. I'm talking really weirdly loud. Weirdly loud. Because my nose
Alright, my
is blocked.
introduction now.
My nose is blocked. We're gonna say our name, our age,
our hobby, our favorite food, our favorite drink, our dream, our best friend, our favorite band, top 5, our favorite singer, top 5.
And our number one crush. Number one crush meaning celebrity and real life. Yeah.
Oh, me.
Yeah.
Alright, my name. Farah Aisha Niasha. Please do call me
NS.
Oh yeah, this is what I wrote on my worksheet before. Farah Aisha NS College. Then you know the Z, then there's a line there, then I put a height. I colored the height. I don't get scolding. That's okay, that works.
Alright, I know, right?
But it's a teacher! Okay. My age, I am 11. 11.
Fifth primary 5. What? Like
yeah, as if. Birthday. May 18, 1999. As if anyone cares. So if you care, thank you so much for caring about my birthday.
You're so sweet. If you don't care, it's okay. We'll still like you.
Please don't be cruel to us.
Please do not post hate comments. Even though you completely hate us and think that we're irritating little girls.
Stop watching our shows. Don't hate us.
I know some of you will tell each other like, if you don't like it, then don't comment. If you don't like it, then don't go to the video. And then
this is what people say.
Yeah,
nothing nice to say. Don't say anything.
Yeah, I know. And then they will also say it's simple. If you're watching the video for the first time and just giving your opinion, well, there's also something. There's also very simple. There's something as simple as a back button. If you don't like it, you can just click the back button. Any hate comments and anything will just be blocked. So you're pretty much just wasting your life.
Yeah.
It's down there. No, yeah. So yeah.
Okay, so
don't stand for any hate comments.
Whatever. No, really, we won't.
Yeah, we won't.
So my favorite food, Italian food. Simple. Simple as that.
Simple. Pizza, pasta.
Fan. Hello? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bye. Sorry, but I have to go do something like really important, so now let me give you an introduction first.
Me? Okay.
Amma.
Hello. Farah's going to do something a little bit important. Very important, actually. So yeah, I will be doing my introduction first. Just so you guys know, I'm the crazier half of Naisha. So yeah. My name is Naomi. Dead lizard. Ew. Okay, disgusting. Yeah, my name is Naomi. I am 12 years old. Birthday June 4th, 1998. Not like any of you care. For those of you who care, it's thank you very much. For those of you who don't care, it's okay. I'll still like you. Whereas behind there.
Go to your face.
Wait. My hobby is listening to music. I do it every day.
Joking.
I listen to music every day. I just love music. I'm a music junkie. That's what people call me, a music junkie. My favorite food is Italian food, like Farah, who's somewhere there. Yeah, I like Italian food. I like pizza. I like pasta, macaroni. Macaroni is pasta. Never mind. Yeah, I love Italian food. My favorite drink is Coke. Who doesn't like Coke? Coke is awesome. I don't like Coke Light and I don't like Coke Zero because even though there's like little or no sugar, there's still more chemicals. It's like the less sugar they have, the more chemicals they put in. So I find it more unhealthy. So I just drink plain Coke with the sugar. You know, the red color one? Yeah. Just that. Because less chemicals. My favorite country. Even though that's not really included in what we're supposed to be saying. Why is the hand so wet? Yeah, my favorite country is Germany. And it's not just because I like Tokyo Hotel. I love Germany. I love the German language. I love the sausages. I also like Australia, of course, because I was born in Australia.
Oh, the single ladies. Oh, the single ladies.
I also love Australia, of course, because I was born in Australia. I love Ukraine.
She loves Singapore.
I love Singapore, my hometown. I love... What other country do I love? I love USA.
USA!
I love
USA!
USA.
USA!
Shut up!
USA!
Uh-huh.
Good. Countries. Countries. I'm being rude to the country, okay?
No, she's not. Okay, anyway. Yeah, my dream is to become, like, my dream is to either become number
I'm coming on stock.
Okay. Number 1, an actress. Number 2, a singer of a band. Number 3, a drummer of a band. I don't know, maybe. So yeah, my best friend. Okay, I've got I've got a lot of best friends actually. I've got 4 best friends. 4 best friends. One is her.
Yay!
One is Aswini. Arti. Then there's Lydia. Yeah, 4 best friends. Yeah. My number 1 crush celebrity is Bill Collins, the ever so hot lead singer of Tokyo Hotel. So yeah, that's number 1 crush celebrity. Number 1 crush in real life. I know this is kind of pathetic, but I've got 2 crushes actually in real life. But yeah, got a lot of crushes in real life. But yeah, anyway, the one that is like the number 1 crush is kind of pathetic. I know he's in like either Sec 2 or Sec 3. I saw him at my aunt's wedding. I asked my cousin to ask our cousin what's his name. He got the nickname Flip Boy because he likes to do a hair flip, and I don't know his real name. Pathetic, isn't it? So yeah. Anyway, my favorite band, top 5 favorite bands. Number 1,
Just
Tokyo.
keep that. Take so much time.
Doing it as fast as I can. Number 1, Tokyo Hotel. Number 2, Paramore. Number 3, Fall Out Boy. Number 4, Black Veil Brides. Number 5, Bullet for My Valentine. Sorry. Yeah. My favorite singer, top 5. Luffy, Miranda Cosgrove, Jeanette McCurdy, Demi Lovato, and what's the other girl's name? Shit, I forgot what's the other girl's name. Yeah, Chris Allen. Sorry. Chris Allen.
She's not a girl!
The guy's name, sorry. What is that?
Number 1 crush. I put dollar sign.
Yeah, this one.
Number 1 crush.
Okay, bye. Yeah. I love all animals except for lizards and Komodo dragons. They freak me out. Alright, introduction now. Woo!
I get a special mic. Okay.
Yeah. Oh my god. Ow.
Where did I stop just now? I'll restart. Name Farah Aisha
NS.
NS does not mean Farah Aisha National Service. Please don't think that. Farah Aisha Niasha. My age, I'm 11.
Farah Aisha not stupid.
Oh yeah. I'm also Farah Aisha not smart. My name is so cool. Okay.